We went on a cruise to Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island on the Holland America Zaandam. The Zaandam was in the port as well. We docked very close to the center of town. You want to walk up and down Queen Street. That's where all the action is.
Wonderful. The home of Anne of Green Gables.
There's a walk around the south end of the peninsula, which takes you about 30 minutes. It's a really nice one.
There was lots of wildlife, and the whole area, the green area there, was wonderful.
Look, just a beautiful little town.
There
so many birds just
so
coming
many
out.
birds.
They had a scarecrow festival. It's like a Hallmark Channel moment. There's Charles Dickens and someone talking in front of a Gothic cathedral. We began our culinary walking tour at a bar where we had some mussels.
They were good.
They were good. I'm not a mussel guy.
You like it?
It's good. There's sober men aplenty, and drunkards barely 20. There are men of over 90 who have never yet kissed a girl. But give me a rambling rover, from Orkney down to Dover. We will roam the country over, and together we'll face the world. You got it?
Next we went to the Chip Shack. They had the most awesome French fries ever. Look at them. They were just delicious.
Yep, that's it. Chew it up. You couldn't be closer to the water, to the sea, and you couldn't get more of a taste.
You want mine?
No, I'm driving.
Our version of a lobster roll.
So this is a Lobster Wharf's version of a lobster roll. It's kind of a hunk of lobster on a roll. I guess it was okay.
The entertainment, however, was wonderful.
To come and find him. A wondrous place, a smiling face, some coffee, and a tiny trace of fiddling in the distance far behind him. A dime across the counter, then a shy hello and a brand new friend. They walked across the street in wintry weather. A yellow light, an open door, a welcome friend, there's room for more. Now they're standing there inside together. I heard that tune somewhere before, I don't remember when. Was it on some other friendly shore? Did I hear it in the wind? Did I hear it in the sky above? Did I hear it from someone I love? And never heard it sound so sweet since then.